How to take pulley off spindle on Toro ss4235?
When did you last clean or perform maintenance on your Toro tool or machine? How old is it?
10 years old. Age not the issue. When I turn the nut on pulley, the blade bolt loosens, then there is nothing to stop shaft from free turning. No stop or other to hold the shaft to loosen pulley nut.
How long has this been going on with your Toro? What have you tried so far?
I tried to remove pulley nut just now, but blade bolt came loose and now shaft free spins on pulley/spindle shaft.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
Hello. My name is I have been a small engine technician for 18 years and hopefully I can offer you some assistance. I see that you are having trouble getting the top spindle nut to break loose. Is that correct?
No phone needed.
The easiest way to remove the nut is to use an impact wrench that will spin the nut off faster than the blade can turn. If you do not have an impact wrench, you will need to use a block of wood to lock the blade in place underneath while you loosen the nut at the top.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.